Over the years, our school, the Sion Hill Government School, has been struggling in the area of literacy. When we got word from the personnel, the ELP personnel on the ground, that funding can be achieved from the Early Learners Program to take care of a project, we decided to make an application, and we were successful, so the grant was given to us.
Just prior to the ELP USA grant offer, the school received a donation of agricultural equipment. This led to the idea of developing our reading program around agriculture. The area in which our school is located is not an agricultural area by any means. But we thought that using the agricultural program would help students to become more interested in what they were learning. Students were given the opportunity to plant a seed, take care of it in their classroom, and then transfer it to the plot when it was ready. As the seedling grew, they were able to record what was happening to it. Students use their agricultural experiences to create reading and writing materials. They create stories, they write in their journals, and so on. They also use the internet to research about their crops, the pests and the diseases that affect them.
When we got into the bus, we went to Orange Hill. The lady thought about the plants. When we planted them, the seed turned into a root. Then it grows quite good. If we put any seeds in the soil, it'll take days to take care of them.
I went to Orange Hill Farm. We saw plants like fruits, veggies, vegetables like apple,
sweet peppers, potatoes, and there are also kind of vegetables like sweet potatoes. They're getting better.
We have to take care of them. We have to water them, sunlight them keep and so no bugs can't get in them.
The focus on agriculture serves to provide students with familiar vocabulary that is more meaningful to them. It serves to make them more competent in the area of word recognition, fluency, as well as comprehension. Students are grouped so that those with similar reading difficulties are grouped together. This allows me to focus on assisting students based on their reading needs.
We have seen some positive changes as we have been making small incremental steps towards our objectives, and we are getting there.
The real benefit of this program is seeing students get excited about something that is new and linked to reading. They are really showing interest in the program. Those who come to the sessions, I have difficulty getting them to leave. I would like to thank the ELP and USAID for this grant offer that has allowed our students to read, learn, and grow. Thanks ELP and USAID.